Hey guys, this is Cody from Belleville Learning Academy, and today we are going over how to multiply and divide fractions with 3 easy steps. First, we are going to start by multiplying fractions. One great example to start with is 1/2 and 1/4. The first step to start with is to multiply the numerator of both fractions. Then we multiply the denominators of both fractions. The last step is to reduce if necessary. Now we're going to move on to the equations. We multiply numerators 1 times 1. Then we multiply the denominators, which is 2 and 4. So we get 1/8 as an answer, which do not need to be reduced. Now we're going to teach you guys how to divide fraction with number we used before. The first step is to leave the first fraction alone. The second step is to turn the division sign into multiplication sign. Third step is to flip the second fraction over. This is called the reciprocal. And the last step is to follow the same rule applied for multiplying fractions. First, we keep the 1/2. Then we change the division into multiplication. Then we flip the second equation into 4/1, which is 4. Then you multiply the numerator and the denominators, which gives you 4/2, which is 2. So that's how you multiply and divide fraction with 3 easy steps. Subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching.